You searched how to buy shares of Technotrans SE. Technotrans is a German engineering firm specializing in thermal management systems. It trades on Xetra under the ticker TTR1.DE, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase stock. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker TTR1.DE to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Technotrans SE and confirm it shows Xetra to ensure it is the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the issuer name and ticker on that page to confirm this is Technotrans SE. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio and update once the trade settles. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.